In this video, we'll demonstrate how to enter safe mode on your PS5. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about accessing safe mode on your PS5, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. Firstly, shut down your PS5. You can do this by either long pressing the power button on the console itself or using the PlayStation button on the controller. Navigate to the control center, select Power, then turn off PS5. Wait for the console to completely power down, indicated by no lights on the console. To enter safe mode, hold the power button. You'll hear an initial beep, then a second one. Release the power button after the second beep. This action will boot your PS5 into safe mode. Connect the controller using a USB cable. Plug one end into the console and the other into your controller. Press the PS button on the controller to activate it in safe mode. Use the D-pad as the joysticks won't function in safe mode. Navigate to the desired option, for example, Restart PS5, and confirm your selection. Your PS5 will restart and boot normally after exiting safe mode. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. For additional tips and tutorials, visit mediamagnet.business.